Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down the essentials so you can act immediately. First, confirm the client, stakeholders, budget, and timeline. This prevents scope drift. Next, define 3 clear goals: traffic, leads, revenue percentages, because proposals must tie work to outcomes. Once done, collect access to analytics, CMS, and Search Console so you can audit data. Make sure to save login methods securely, and note any content or brand constraints before building deliverables. You now produce the core strategy by combining audit findings with prioritized fixes. Run a technical review focused on speed, mobile performance, and indexability to surface critical blockers. Then, prioritize issues using an impact times effort matrix and pick the top 5 fixes that drive the most value. Once that's clear, map keywords to pages by user intent and set quarterly targets so work aligns with business cycles. Explain why each fix moves the needle and estimate hours. You finish by turning strategy into a clear, executable scope so the client can approve quickly. Lay out phases with deliverables, timelines, and line item costs, and define KPIs plus reporting cadence so progress is measurable. Explain the change request process and include a 10% contingency for unexpected work. If things go wrong, state one troubleshooting tip. Reproduce the issue, check staging, then roll back or isolate the change. Close with next steps and a single signature line to approve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.